Your kid wants to hear a new bedtime story, but you are fresh out of books. In less than 10 seconds, you can generate a story your kid will beg for at bedtime with ChatGPT. Here's how. Copy and paste this exact prompt into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and in seconds, you'll get a brand new story ready to read aloud. Here's why this prompt works so well. 2 minutes long means it's short enough for their attention span and your patience. Loves dinosaurs, hates bedtime, speaks directly to their world. The sleepy dino makes the story feel relatable. It's not just a character, it's them. The parent helping models exactly what you're doing in that moment, reinforcing the bond. And the use of calming language and repetition creates a soothing rhythm that helps them actually relax. Fast, targeted, works like magic. And you can level up that magic by customizing the prompt. Swap dinosaur for whatever your child's obsessed with right now. Unicorns, garbage trucks, kittens, astronauts, you name it. You can even add their name, their favorite blanket, or their bedtime routine. For example, this. Now it's not just a story, it's their story. So what does the finished story actually look like? Here it is. If this video helped, check out the next one here for more ways to make parenting easier, faster, and way less stressful with ChatGPT. Parenting doesn't have to be harder than it already is.